Hello everybody and welcome to this channel once again. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. So if you're new here, kindly hit on the subscribe button to subscribe. If you're old here, thanks so much for coming back again. So in today's video, I'm quickly going to share with you the apps that I use on my phone. Some of them I'm going to open them, some of them I'm just going to leave them idle like that because you probably knows of them. And I'm doing this on my Samsung Galaxy J7. I'm going to give my review on it after using it for 4 months or so. So you stay tuned to get excited with some apps that I have on my phone. Let's get into the video. So starting from my home screen, I have the Bible, the gallery, the Play Store, the Google folder, and the Microsoft app. Let's jump into all these things. Now, the Samsung folder contains my voice recorder, the email, my files, internet, and the particular app over here that I want to stress on is my voice recorder. I use that actually to record all the voice that I put under my video tutorial. How interesting is that? It sounds very cool, so that's it. And then the next folder is the Google folder. It contains all the apps that is being handled by Google. So I have my Google, the Chrome, the Gmail, the Maps, and the most used app on my phone, the YouTube. So I have YouTube over here, and that is my channel. So if you're not subscribed, you probably might want to subscribe over here. That's it. So let's go. And then I have the Google Drive, and then the Geo and Photos. Next, I have the Microsoft apps, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, and then Skype. Quickly, we jump to Play Store. I have Play Store over here, and then Facebook. That is my phone, messages, camera, and then gallery. So let me test the camera right over here. So that is the camera right over there. Yeah, it's cool. Now we have the gallery over here, and then I have my clock that it comes to the world clock, the stopwatch, the timer, and the alarm. So I set 3 alarms: 12 a.m., 2 a.m. and then 3 a.m. So I have the contacts over here. Settings, very important. So let's check a few things in the settings of Samsung Galaxy J7 Neo. So about the phone, we have the name to be Galaxy J7 Neo, and then model is SM J701F/DX. And then the software information, the Android version is 7.0, and then we have 8.1. Samsung Experience version, and then the baseband, the kernel version, and some cool stuff over here. Yeah, so that's it. And next, I have a calendar. It's very good to keep important updates and dates. I have a calculator, I have a play music, the radio, Samsung Notes. It is a very nice note to keep. One thing that I like about this Samsung phone is that it is very nice to keep all these notes over here. So that's it. And then I have this secure folder. I've never used it, but it allows you to secure some folders. And then the Flippy Campus, the Galaxy Gift, the Promo Late, Zip TV, and then Facebook Lite. This is one of the most used app on my phone also. So this is the Facebook Lite over here. That's it. And then next page, I have WhatsApp, and I have these so many messages to reply to. It's cool. And I have Favor. Actually, if you don't know, I'm a freelancer and I work with Favor. Actually, I'm almost at level 1 on Favor. So if you want to order anything about graphics, you just hit me up. The name is Sir Innocent, Sir_Innocent. You can just check it out. And then I have Adobe Acrobat over here. Some apps are open, or some documents are open in PDF. I also have these Facebook statuses that I love to read. I love to read quotes a lot, so I get some inspiration and motivations from these statuses. And then I have Telegram, one of the most used apps on my phone also. It's very nice, especially with rising YouTubers, rising United creators and stuff. And then I have Programming Hub, another app that is very good for programmers. If you want to learn programming, actually I'm an IT student, so programming is part of my courses. So I make some few studies on that app. And then I have Opera Mini. I use it for few searches and stuff. Learn PowerPoint and learn MS Word is two apps that are very great if you want to get very much detail into MS Word and then PowerPoint. And then I have the best life quotes. This is a great app that I recommend everybody should get it, especially if you most of the times get depressed. It comes in different categories, that is inspiration, trying to get hard times and those stuff, so you can check it out. Let's quickly jump to Befunky is a photo editing app that allows you to add some few touch-ups to your pictures and stuff, so you can try it. And this is an app for all Methodists. I'm a Methodist and I use this particular hymn. It comes with the hymns plus canticles plus some cool extra, the Nicene Creed and then the Apostles' Creed, and some few things that you might want to check out. So that is the hymn book. And then Snapchat. If you have Snapchat, you can comment down below and then I'll add you up on Snapchat. And then Instagram, if you have Instagram also, and then you can follow me up, vice versa. If you want to see some cool things like graphic design things, and then I share YouTube my YouTube journey and then my graphic design journey over there, so you can just check it out. Next, I have the Zenda. Zenda is basically like Bluetooth. It is used to transfer files, and then it can be used also as a hotspot, so you can check it out. It is very faster than that of Bluetooth, not to talk of infrared or that stuff. So this is Java programming, another app that will help you secure an A in Java. Very simple. Now this is portable Wi-Fi hotspots. If you are having trouble using the touchscreen Wi-Fi hotspot in your phone, you can download this particular app. It is going to help you very much. And Hello Pal I call it the Asian version of Facebook. It allows you to interact with different people from Asian countries, and it comes with translation. So if you meet somebody who is not into English or who doesn't understand your language, you just select his language. You can type a message and it translates it very straightforward, so you can try it out. Hashtag is another cool app that can help you gain some few Instagram followers and then some few Instagram likes. And then play games allows you to it is an inbuilt app that allows you to play games on your mobile, right? And this is Solo Learn. If you want to learn Java, C++, HTML, JavaScript, Python, and all the programming languages, I recommend Solo Learn for you. Next, I have Discrete Maths, Digital Electronics. Those are courses that I took last semester, so I'm not going to talk about them. And then Holy Bible, I use the revised standard version of the Holy Bible. It's very nice if you want to try it out. And then Spyboy is one app that I go there to check some cool Android tricks and then Windows, some cool tricks over there, since I'm into IT and tech. So Get Friends is also, if you want to get more friends on Snapchat, if you're feeling bored and then you want to get some friends from Snapchat, and then Instagram, you can use Get Friends. Twitter, I don't need to talk about them. Now, this is one app that I want to talk about. This particular English dictionary. It is very cool. One thing that I love about this is that it comes with a word of the day. So if you click on this particular word of the day, it is going to bring to you the word of the day. And then today's word is Abraham, or let's say Abraham, as some people will pronounce it. And the most interesting part is, if you don't know even how to pronounce it, you just click on this Abraham, and then he pronounces it for you. And then you can do some few sets over here and stuff. So that's it for the dictionary. And this is 1000 programming or 1000 Java programs that you need to check out. So if you are a Java enthusiast, you probably might want to check out. This is my game launcher boss, and I have only 2 games on my phone: the Dream League 2018 and then Piano Tiles. Let me know in the comment section the kind of games that you play on your phone. And then this is Fast Save. I have a video on that, a full video on how to use Fast Save, and I'll link it up over there. So A to Z, or AZ Screen Recorder, that is the particular app that I'm using to record this screencast right now. So you probably might want to check out. And this is Freecast, a very funny app, but I don't know if it is working. I just downloaded it to test it out. It allows you to gain some free cents, and then it compiles or it accumulates to get you some few dollars for yourself. And then this is GeoPool. I have a full video on that too, and I will link it up there so you check it out, how to get free credits on any network that you're using, irrespective of the country that you're in. So next, I have the YouTube Studio, a very creative app for creators. If you are a YouTube creator, you probably need to download this particular app. And then LinkedIn, Facebook Lite, APK Pure, basically like Google Play Store, and then TubeBuddy, Samsung members, and StreetBees, another money generating app that you need to check out. And in case you check it out, you probably might want to use my code over here. That is my code 54294F if you want to use that to start up StreetBees. And then OLS is basically like eBay and then Amazon and those stuff. You can sell and buy things from there. Now this Tree Bible is a very great and a very talented app created by one Ghanaian. It comes with a translation of the English Bible into the local Ghanaian language, and then it brings you morning, afternoon, and evening devotion verses to ponder over. And then Code Extra, a very recently created app, freelance app that you can also check it out. Anoniton is a VPN that you can use to manipulate some things, some cool apps on your phone. So you just try it out. Now Status Saver, I have a full video on that. If you want to check out, it will be up there, so you check it out, how to use it to save all your WhatsApp images and then videos. Now this piano or organ 2018 is very good if you want to learn the piano. I'm a beginner in learning the piano, so you can check it out if you want to. So my instructor will say that if you go home, make some few notes, like that's it. It sounds very sweet. You can try it out if you are learning the piano. So that's it for the organ 2018. And then we move on to IGTV. I have a full video on that. It will be up there. If you are not using IGTV yet, you probably might have not uploaded any video on IGTV, but it's a very cool app or an update that you can use. So instant save is also basically like fast save. You can use it to save Instagram pictures and then videos. It is more advanced than fast save, to be honest. And then this is diary. You can use this one to keep some few notes down. Actually, I downloaded it. I had it, but I uninstalled it and then installed it about 2 days ago. So I don't have anything, but I just made this list just for you to see how it works. And then also it comes with this particular sign in, so you can sign in with your Gmail. Anytime you get a new phone, you just recover it back, and then you can secure it with a lock over there. And then also you can change the theme. If you don't like the color, you can use so many colors over here, and then increase the font size and so many stuff. It is a very cool app to use if you want to try it. And finally, or the last but two apps on my phone, that is Corporate Pay. A very cool app to retrieve your money from PayPal. If you work and then you save in PayPal, you can just use, especially if you are in Ghana and if you are in countries where PayPal is not supported, you can use Corporate Pay to do all those stuff. And then finally, I have MTN and Vodafone services. Those are my networks that I use on my phone. And that's it. Those are all the apps that I have on my phone. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comment section the apps that you use, some recommended apps that you might recommend for me, especially as a creator, as a student, and in general lifestyle. Let me know in the comment section those apps. That will be very beneficial to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll get back to you with another video. Innocent here. Bye.